In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use an Instagram filter on TikTok. This process is not too complicated, so let's just get straight into it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my story by tapping on my story at the top left-hand corner. And then once you're here, you want to actually find a filter or effect that you want to use onto your TikTok profile. So I'll just select this one right here, let it load, and I'll just tap to place that there. Then what I'll do is I'll just record something real quick. So that is my recording of the filter that I used. This is the video I want to upload onto TikTok. So what you need to do now is you need to tap on that little download button there at the top, and then that will download the video to your camera roll. Now all you need to do is go onto TikTok, and let me just go out of here and then tap on the plus icon, which is located at the bottom in the center. And once you're on the TikTok camera, just tap on the upload button, and there you can see the video, which is right over there. That's the TikTok video. I can select it at the top right, tap the back button, and then tap on next at the bottom right. And this is just a very short video, 1 second long. Just as an example, I'll tap on next at the top right. Okay, so the video is actually too short, but if it was a full-length video, I think longer than a couple of seconds, you would be able to tap on next and then just add your effects, your sounds, your stickers in that, and then you'll be able to post that onto your TikTok profile. So that is how you use an Instagram filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.